colleagues, ladies and
Nigongona riria rigwikinyitio ni Mucirithania munene MATHAA Koome, Minista munene Musalia Mudavadi, aria manatungata ta acirithania nene David Maraga na Willy Mutunga gatagati kage, maundu maria ruhonge rwa magoti ruhotete gukinyaniria, amwe na maria marahotomia motungata mayo meyumiria gikaro-ini giki. Akiruguria riboti igimaine na ruhonge rwa magoti ya mwaka umwe wa maria Koome endekithitie ni kwagirithio kwa mitaratara ya mirutire ya wira niguo gutigirira gutiri cira uri ikaraga kwa makiria ya miaka 3 utatuithanitio.
In this context that I commend the judiciary for the manner in which it has discharged its mandate and exercised the sovereign power which the people of Kenya have delegated to it.
Third blueprint provides the foundation upon which we shall all endeavor to fulfill our constitutional responsibility and covenant with the people of Kenya.
It will involve strengthening performance management, enhancing docket management system, and scaling up data governance. The goal is to ensure timely and efficient justice delivery with no case taking more than 3 years in trial and more than 1 year on appeal.
Hamwe noguo Mucirithania munene ni ahinyiririe bata wa gukorwo na magoti marerutaga wira mathaa 24 o muthenya niguo gutangikira macira mothe na ihenya uria kwahoteka kwa muhiano macira maria meyumagirie thiku cia wikendi.
Also exploring a 24-hour duty courts. This will all ensure that justice will always be available even in urgent situations like nighttime evictions or weekend arrests.
Ona gutuika ruhonge rwa magoti ruri mubango-ini wa kuruguria magoti ma gutangikira macira makonainie na haru cia kimicii na kunyamario kimwiri, imwe cia kaunti iria magoti mea maruguritio ari ni hamwe na Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu na Siaya. Koome no acakaite ciiko ici irio kuo na bei ya macira maya kaunti ya Nairobi igithie na mbere kwambatira.
So far we are dealing with Nairobi as a crisis, and we are working very closely with everybody because it is the responsibility of all of us to discourage and to eliminate violence within our homes, within our communities.
Niguo kungethanira na kihingisha kiria kiyumagiria a minista amwe makieherera iturwa ciao na wangi makamurwo riria thirikari njeru yao ya utongoria. Minista munene Musalia Mudavadi yendekithitie guthathaurwo na gutaurwo wega kwa watho niguo kunina mwanya uria uriho kwa ihinda riri.
Should a minister step out of office when there's a change of government? Does he do any handing over formally? Or does he just disappear with the files? We still have some challenges. And with the legal minds here, let us continue to make Kenya better.
Handu-ini hake gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ni uritie ruhonge rwa magoti rwitikirie magoti ma kaunti gutangikagira macira manini niguo kunyihia muthianiriro wa macira igoti-ini ria Milimani.
Many Nairobians are being, inconvenienced. Now having to go all the way to Milimani, they are used to us having them here, quickly dispensing with that matter under the authority of the judiciary. I urge you to return the small claim, the city court under the direction of the judiciary. But let us sort that out, because without that, the city slides into anarchy.